Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Cheryl here. So today I want to talk about all the steps and things that I incorporate to my skincare routine that keep my skin clear. First and foremost, I think it's important to remove your makeup or cleanse your face properly. I definitely learned my lessons in my 20s. There are times that I just remember I didn't wash my face before bed because I was too tired. Till this date, I always remember to take my makeup off, wash my face before going to bed, because I know that's like number one thing to keep my skin clear. So I've been using an oil cleanser to take my makeup off, especially like the face makeup. Even though I don't wear foundation most of the days, I find it helpful and just therapeutic in a way, when the product is like glide over the face and just making sure my face is thoroughly cleansed, and that feels really good. Occasionally I steam my face with this facial steamer. I actually started doing that because I met this woman who was in her 50s at the time, and she has the best skin ever. And I just remember her telling me that she steams her face every few days. So ever since then, I started doing that. I love a good facial steaming. It helps your skin to relax and unclog. So it's one of the best feelings in the world. And then I will use this facial tool to scrape away, any of the gunk that's been floating on the pores after steaming. So for me, sometimes it's about the blackheads on my nose. I use this tool to scrape away any of the oil or just gunk sitting on top of the pores. It's not a permanent solution, but it's always good to clear your pores, unclog the pores before those clogged pores turn into a zit. My only advice is be gentle when you're doing this, because you don't want to injure or make a mark on your skin. I know it's gross, but isn't that satisfying to see all the gunk in the tissue? So after unclogging the pores, next thing is to calm the face with, first I'm going to spray this facial mist. So I want to make sure my face is soaking wet before I roll my face with the J roller. I actually got the J roller from my sister-in-law, and thank you, Anna. So what I'm doing is basically rolling on top of the skin. Using a J roller can be very helpful in calming down the skin, especially after I scrape the gunk out of the pores. So I use the bigger roller on larger surfaces, like cheeks, the forehead, chin. The smaller roller is just for delicate areas such as under eye, around the nose, around the lips. It's basically like giving your skin a workout. Your skin is more circulated. The blood circulation function normally, and your skin tone will be brighter, and your face is more contour, and your pores are less likely to be clogged. If you're bothered by dark circles, also do this. It helps the blood circulations around your eyes. Honestly, it feels really good to roll your face. It's just very relaxing. It's almost like you're squeezing in some me time. So when I'm doing this, I usually don't keep track of the time. I just roll my face as long as I want. Before applying a gel moisturizer, you can use any gel moisturizer and just gently spread that all over your face. So next I'll be using a skin massaging tool to massage my face. It's great to massage your face with a facial tool like this because it helps getting rid of the excess water that's been making your face puffy. There's so many benefits to the overall health of the skin, so I highly recommend doing that, especially before a photo session, a get together, or you have to be on camera. Last but not least, this is like a sheet mask. It's like a little treat to the skin. I don't do sheet mask and facial massage on the same day. Here I'm just wearing this new sheet mask that I got, and both me and my husband were wearing the same sheet mask, and it's like a treat to the skin. Hope you found all the tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!